Hey guys, Spredo is the leading Telegram sales automation platform with the largest database of Web3 and iGaming decision makers in the world. And today I'm going to show you a quick demo. The first thing you see when you log in is the homepage. It contains some high-level metrics across all of your campaigns, a list of your active campaigns, a full list of all of your campaigns, and profile settings. Before you can launch any campaigns, you need to connect Telegram accounts to your profile. You can do it either by requesting warmed up, customized accounts from our team or connecting your own accounts. In the second scenario, simply go to the top right, click Telegram accounts, then click Add Account and follow the instructions on screen. Congrats, now you can launch your first campaign in 4 simple steps, which are create a campaign, add context into the campaign, set up cold messages and message sequences, and finally launch the campaign. In order to create a new campaign, simply click here, give it a name. Step number 2, contact selection. We go to this page. On contact selection page, first you need to decide whether you want to target Web3 or iGaming contacts. These are 2 separate databases with their own verticals and filters. We've got 3 major groups of filters here. Company filters are filters related to company info such as company vertical or type. Person filters is everything about the person. Are they a part of a particular conference? What is their location? What is their title inside their company, etc. And finally, other filters are utilities that allow you to limit the maximum number of leads per company that we show you, exclude leads from your past campaigns or your block lists. So let's see a hypothetical example here for Web3. Let's say I want to target all the attendees of FCC conference that are founders and their company is a service provider, which is Spredo ICP. I have already saved in advance a filter preset called FCC demo. You can do that as well. I'm just gonna click it and this is gonna pull up all of my required filters here. Take a quick look at them. Then we click preview data. It's gonna take a few seconds. And this will show us a preview of the contacts we have requested. You can view detailed information about each contact, play around with checkboxes here to select only the required ones or to leave somebody out. You can also set up custom columns for easier and more convenient preview. And when you're ready with your selection, hit insert to campaign, select the campaign that you've just created, select Telegram accounts that you want to participate in the campaign, and insert data. After inserting contacts into the campaign, go to the campaign by clicking view details here. Inside the campaign, you will see 6 different tabs at the top to manage different aspects of your campaign. Inbox is our Telegram native CRM where you manage dialogues with prospects. Leads tab shows you a detailed list of contacts that we've just added, as well as features like export leads, import leads from a CSV in case you want to work with your own contacts. Insertion log, which shows you conveniently when the leads were added to the campaign and which exact filters were used. You also have a reapply filters button here if you want to go directly to the contact selection page and reenact those specific filters. Accounts tab shows you a list of Telegram accounts used inside this campaign. In the messages tab, you set up the messaging. Statistics is a day-by-day breakdown of the statistics for this particular campaign. For the step number 3 of launching our campaign, we need to go to the messages tab. Under messages templates, add the required templates of the message that you want to send to the prospects. You can use different personalization variables like person real first name, the account name that is used to send the message, the name of their company, and so on. If you click on add template, you will see a list of all of the available placeholders you can use. When you're ready with the templates, click generate messages. And if you do it for the first time, just start generation. When you do that, you will see a progress bar up top. Once it's finished, our AI algorithm has essentially replaced all of the variables inside the message for each lead. And under generated messages, you can see a little preview that will show you which account will be sending the message to who, and then what is the exact final message is. If you want to edit the messages by hand afterwards, you can still do this by clicking here and then edit message. But overall, you're pretty much good to go. Now, these are only the cold messages. If you also want to set up a call sequences immediately at the start of the campaign, you should go to the inbox, click on this button here, sequences, and then add a sequence accordingly. Finally, step number 4, when you're ready, go to the settings and hit that launch campaign button. Our system will start to send messages to your prospects. It will schedule the messages in random batches throughout the day in the most optimal way, such as to avoid any bans or limitations from Telegram systems. And you will be able to see the newly created dialogues with prospects in the Inbox tab. Actually, let me tell you a little bit more about it. So, as mentioned before, the Inbox tab aggregates all of the dialogues from all of the Telegram accounts inside a campaign to a single view, which is a lot more convenient than switching between multiple accounts. All of the dialogues are sorted in chronological order here. At the bottom left, you can see the username of the Telegram account that initiated the dialogue with a prospect. I can then open any one dialogue, see the entire history inside of it, and I can keep communicating with the prospect directly from the platform. So anything I would be able to do on Telegram Messenger, I can do here. Send messages, attach documents, double click on a message, leave reactions, reply to a particular message, forward this message to someone, delete it, create group chats with prospects, write a message to a new lead outside of the campaign in case somebody referred me to a better contact inside the company. Plus, I can import external chats in case a prospect outside of our campaign messaged one of the Telegram accounts inside our campaign. Finally, you have features that are not available on Telegram yet, such as multi-touch automated follow-ups. So with just a few clicks, you can create sequences of several messages to ping a dormant lead and return them to the conversation. Let's say I send somebody a link to book a call with me, and I want to send them 2 or 3 messages to remind them that they have to actually use it. So boom, I can just do it with a pre-saved pattern with a one click of a button. We also have custom labels on dialogues and filtering capabilities for dialogues, where we can filter dialogues based on those custom labels. We can also filter dialogues based on things like priority and the follow-up date, which is the date of the next message inside our follow-up sequence. Now, this is pretty much the gist of it. Let me quickly take you through the remaining of the tabs here. So, as mentioned, the campaign statistics is essentially a day-by-day breakdown of the results of our campaign, so we can see how the metrics change over time and how many messages are sent on each particular day. After that, we have global statistics that we can access from our profile settings here. So global statistics will show us total statistics across all of our campaigns, as well as a side-by-side comparison of all of our campaigns. So we can do here A/B, ABC testing, and so on. We can test different messages, different target audiences, even different account settings for different campaigns. Another useful window I wanted to show you is the profile settings. So if we go again to the top right, click profile settings here. So here you can manage the amount of credits on your balance, as well as rebalance different types of credits, invite members of your team to use the platform, set up notifications through our special Telegram bot for newly received replies from prospects, and then add contacts into your block list in order to avoid them during the contact selection stage. The final cool feature I wanted to share with you is multi-campaign view. So imagine you have a lot of campaigns run simultaneously, and it wouldn't be very convenient to open them one by one to see where you've got new replies from leads. You can go here and click multi-campaign view button. This will show you a list of all the dialogues across all of your campaigns with new unread messages. We can filter by specific campaigns if you don't want to see all of them at once. We can also view a list of all of the active dialogues across all campaigns, which is a lot if you have as many campaigns as I do. This saves you a lot of time. You can open any conversation and keep talking to the lead directly.